So, what is data merging? In SAP Datasphere, data merging is the process of making data available in a single local table file in the object store. A replication flow, or the data product generator for SAP Business Data Cloud, replicates new and updated data from different sources and formats. During the replication process, data is written to a table-specific inbound buffer location, and the table structure for a local table file is created. The data remains in the inbound buffer in file storage until a merge task is run to integrate it into the target local table file structure. You can then use Apache Spark transformation flows to clean and prepare the data. Transformation flows can take source local table files and combine them, filter data, add or remove columns, and perform other transformations, and then output the result to a single new target local table file. You can optimize performance for this process by using the appropriate Apache Spark application settings. For usual data volumes, a value of 100 should suffice as the maximum amount of resources that your space can consume when processing Apache Spark statements. Be aware that merge tasks can have a significant impact on computation, API requests, and storage, so you need to balance these costs with how often your data needs to be updated. You can run your merge tasks automatically, on a schedule, or manually. Running them automatically using the Merge Data Automatically setting in your replication flows keeps your data up to date, but can impact consumption. You can minimize this impact by adjusting the delta load interval at the replication flow level to match exactly how up-to-date your data needs to be, such as every 2 hours. Running them on a schedule keeps the storage and computation costs in balance with the timeliness of the data. You can achieve this either by setting up a merge task schedule in the Data Integration Monitor or by including your merge tasks as part of a task chain. Running them manually is meant to be used only for testing or troubleshooting purposes. To avoid data merge failures when running merge tasks automatically or on a schedule, make sure that scheduling consent is given in the user settings for the user running the replication flows. Try to avoid running merge tasks too frequently, because each time you run a merge task, a new version of your file is created. Instead, run your merge tasks only when users need new data. For example, if a dashboard is viewed only once a weekly merge task schedule will suffice. Keep in mind that you can free up storage in your object store by deleting previous versions from the local table file monitor. Check out more about data merging in the SAP Datasphere Help portal and try it for yourself today.